Don't look at traffic jam.
Ka United Forum of Bank Unions lani ka Ufbu Meghalaya State Unit kilapan krea ban Ïashimbynta ban sange Tarekam Naduh ka Shiteng Synnia Jong ka arpulai Tarik Haduh ka arpusan Tarik Lber. Kani ka jing pensange Tarekam ka long ban ra ya ki jing dawa ki babun ki bakentup ya ka jing tap kam habarok ki bank ka jing penyo kam bapura na ka benta ki nong tray bashipor bat ka jing tray ka basansngi hakashitayo. Kani ka jing dawa ka long kum Ïashimbynta ban sngotu ya ki jing jong ki nong tray bank.
We have talked about the most important demand already, which is the adequate recruitment of staff and officers, that is recruitment in all cadres. And I have just explained as to how it is going to affect the services which we give to the people, and also it is how it is going to affect our personal lives. The other demand which is of crucial importance is this 5-day banking, 5-day week. As you all know, after long negotiation, public sector banks have already been given 2 Saturdays off. The second and the fourth Saturday are already off. We've been enjoying this, I think, for the last 5-6 years, perhaps, or even more than that.
Ka Jilla Meghalaya